guys, this is the 1-2 buckle my shoe in different versions. I'm gonna be doing them since. Okay, let's start. Hey, yo, check out my new shoes, bro. They're the brand new 1-2 buckle my shoe. 3, 4 buckle some more. 5, 6 Nike kicks. Ooh, that was so fire. This is the doggy one. 1-2 pot and kick. Which I actually like that one. Most people don't. Well, not most people. A lot of people like that one, but I can't do that one. I don't know what 3, 4. Okay. Number 3. Check out my new shoes, bro. They're the brand new 1-2 buckle my shoe. 3, 4 buckle some more. 5 Nike kicks. Ooh, that was so fire. And here's my version. Hey, yo, check my new shoes, bro. They're the brand new 1-2 buckle my shoe. 3, 4 yeet my shoe. 5, 6 I'll kick you in the face. Oh, that was so weird.